How to do the single cast on in knitting. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you this super easy single cast on. This basic cast on method is a great technique for beginners. It's super fast and does not involve any complicated steps, and it still creates a very neat edge. And the best part, you do not need to worry about your yarn running out. Let's dive right into it. Start the single cast on by tying a simple slip knot. So twist your yarn into a loop and then pull through the opposing end like this, and then slip the loop to your knitting needle, tighten up. Leave a tail that is around 5 to 8 inches for weaving in later. This slip knot counts as your first stitch. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. And now, pick up the knitting needle with your right hand and hold the yarn with your left hand. Bring your thumb over the yarn, and now you need to create a simple loop around your thumb. So, bring your thumb down by going in from behind and coming up in the front. And now you need to insert your needle into the loop you just created around your thumb, coming in from below. Remove your thumb and tighten up gently. Let's do that one more time. So place your thumb over the yarn. Create a loop by going in from behind. Slip the loop to your knitting needle. Again, create a loop, slip it to your right needle. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. And once you get the hang of this, you can go super fast with this technique. And I feel this is really the easiest way to cast on for knitting. If you like to knit a pattern in stockinette stitch and you want to start on the right side, I propose to modify the single cast on a bit, because otherwise you will end up with this edge instead of this edge here. Again, you start with a simple slip knot, but now instead of wrapping the yarn around your thumb clockwise, you do it counterclockwise. So you go in from the front and now you pick up the loop like this again. Pick up the yarn like this. So exactly the other way around. And if you knit across, the edge you will create will look like this. This will be both a bit neater and it will be also much easier to knit in the first row. Anyway, that's how to do the single cast on. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.